Hello. I want to go for the motors. Bismarck Corp.
Oh, this mark.
Yeah, for the
Somewhere
motors.
street.
The shop for the motors, bike, off-road.
What street?
I don't know.
Saan street kami?
San Pedro Street, corner.
Here. There.
In this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Straight.
And after right or only street?
Oh, wait. In front, opposite side is Kisanlo building.
Okay.
Dili na motors dia. San Pedro lang may na in this mark. Kana raman. Appliance. This mark it's not a motor
Hindi na
shop.
ito sanahan eh.
Is not?
Oh.
Uy.
Appliance. Oh, this mark.
Smart dito wala.
Is motor off-roads.
Oh.
Off-roads.
Oh, motor ba?
Because here it's only like you. Small.
Small.
You know there is the for the show for the motors, but it's only for the cement. I want off-road for the mountain.
Oh.
Like that.
Just try. Here.
Okay.
Straight. Then
Straight.
right side.
And after right.
Ah.
So in this side I can to go like that?
No. Here.
Dito sa pikas.
Asa na
Ito na side ha. Dili na side.
Asa left side?
Ah.
Nabre this mark. Ano bag? Oh.
Oh.
I see. Yes. Okay.
It's okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
It was the new one. Here.
Yeah?
There.
It's
And-
here.
Yeah, left side.
It's left.
You
Okay.
cross the road, then go straight.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.